Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the Amazon Prime credit card, specifically the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa. If you are a frequent Amazon shopper or Whole Foods or Amazon Fresh, this could be one of the most valuable credit cards in your wallet. But of course it's not perfect. So I'll walk you through everything, how it works, what you get, where it shines, where it falls short, and whether it's the ultimate store card in 2025. So let's get started. The Amazon Prime Rewards Visa is a co-branded credit card issued by Chase in partnership with Amazon. It's specifically designed for Amazon Prime members. In fact, to unlock its highest rewards, you need an eligible Prime membership. One of its key draws is the 5% cashback on purchases made at Amazon.com. That also includes purchases made at Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods markets, and also through Chase Travel, as long as you are a Prime member. These are unlimited 5%, meaning there's no cap on how much you can earn, which makes it particularly powerful if a large portion of your spending is within the Amazon ecosystem. Well, beyond Amazon, the card offers 2% cashback on spending at gas stations, local transits, commuting, as well as on restaurants, and 1% back on all other purchases. So this means that the card isn't just useful for Amazon, you can also get some value from everyday spend. But its real value comes from Amazon-related purchases. Another thing is this, rewards are very flexible. You can redeem them quickly, as early as the next day, because your earned rewards show up the next day and you can apply them at checkout on Amazon. You can also redeem them through Chase for cashback, travel, or gift cards. And interestingly, the card also offers shopping protections like extended warranty, auto rental coverage, baggage delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, roadside assistance, travel accident insurance, travel and emergency assistance, as well as purchase protection. Now, what are the main features of this card? As earlier mentioned, the reward structure. You earn 5% back on Amazon.com, Amazon Fresh, Whole Foods, and via Chase Travel with eligible Prime membership. You also earn 2% back on gas stations, local transits, commuting, and restaurants, and 1% back on all other purchases. And sometimes Amazon runs rotating extra cashback offers where you earn up to 10 to 25% back on selected categories. It's also noteworthy to know that new card members with an eligible Prime membership can receive up to $250 Amazon gift card loaded into their accounts upon approval, the Amazon account. What is the redemption option like? Daily rewards. Your points show up quickly and they can be applied during the Amazon checkouts. You can redeem via Chase for cashback, for travel, and for gift cards. And the points don't expire as long as your account remains open. How about the fees? There's no annual fee for this card and the APR is variable. It ranges from about 18.99 to 27%. Also, no foreign transaction fees are charged for this card, so it's useful for shopping or traveling abroad. And as earlier mentioned, there are additional protections and perks like auto rental coverage, baggage delay insurance, extended warranty, travel protections, and purchase protections. The card is very flexible because you can use this anywhere Visa is accepted. Now, what is the pricing like? As earlier mentioned, there is no fee for this card, it's $0. But there's an interest rate, the APR, that is variable, from about 18.99% to 27%. There are no foreign transaction fees and standard credit card penalties may apply if you miss payments or you carry a balance. So, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. High rewards on Amazon. There's no annual fee. There's flexible redemption option. There are protective benefits, no foreign transaction fees, as well as high bonus opportunities. But what are the cons? It requires Prime membership to unlock the 5% rewards, and there's an high APR if you carry a balance. There are modest rewards outside Amazon, not so much compared to being a Prime membership benefactor. It is mostly dependent on the Amazon ecosystem. So why can we call this card the ultimate scorecard in 2025? Well, here is it. If you're a frequent Amazon shopper with a Prime membership, the 5% cashback is unmatched. And being a Visa card gives it flexibility. You can use it anywhere Visa is accepted. But the card works best if you pay your balance in full. Otherwise, the high APR can eat into your rewards. And if you rarely shop Amazon or you don't value Prime, then other cards might be a better fit. And that's it on the review of the Amazon credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Amazon Prime Store Card, Chase Freedom Unlimited, and Blue Cash Preferred from American Express. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.